help you? What do you want? I see you've eaten some of your food. Are you full? What are you doing? You're not gonna give... Okay, crazy, bye. Good morning, my sweet friends. So we're kind of starting this vlog a little bit later in the morning. It is 11:04. I got up this morning and I took me and Remy to the park for a walk while it was somewhat still nice outside. It was raining, or should I say drizzling. They're calling for snow apparently tonight going into tomorrow, so I'm not really sure how this works when it's like 70-degree weather outside and it's also winter. Mother Nature, I don't know what you're doing, but anyhow. So I decided to wash my hair because I went to my aunt's house yesterday and my hair was smelling like smoke, and I don't like when my hair smells like that. So we are basically having a very lazy self-care Sunday. And I just wanted to show you guys basically how my Sundays, as I was saying. So I'm not really sure what Mother Nature is doing. I don't even know where I left off this. But anywho, I'm getting a little sidetracked because my child is running around the house like crazy. But I just wanted to show you guys basically how my self-care lazy Sundays go. I was listening to a podcast last night and it said that you actually like giving yourself a bath and having wine is not actually a self-care day, it's more like a self-release. I see it as self-care day. I don't know anyhow. The podcast threw me all off, but I was just like, you know what? No, this is self-care day. So we're having a self-care day. So let's go. What are you doing? No. You can't have that. This is not for you. This is mommy's. Your dinner's over there.
Now, what were you saying?
So guys, what you basically just saw was me and my best friend Tabitha FaceTiming. Basically what we do is FaceTime just about every single night, every other night, if not every night. And then I ended up watching some of, well, the rest of Loki that's on Disney Plus. And then I ended up editing some photos because I needed to get those done from before Christmas. I just took a break for the holidays. But now we're back on the grind. And then I also I revamped a little bit of my website. So I'll have that link down below with everything and all my sites down, because I have one link now that has access to everything. So I'm really, really excited about that. Like totally excited. So now it's just going to be me sitting here because it's like 11 o'clock at night, but I'm just going to be sitting here watching some YouTube, catching up on some of those subscribers that I like to watch, and probably eating a snack because I am a little hungry, even though probably shouldn't be eating this late, but we're gonna do it.